Hello, I'm Ray from Miro AI Studio. You know how to create mind maps. Now let's master them. These 5 advanced tips will transform how you use mind maps in Miro. Turn your mind map into a clickable navigation system for massive boards. Right-click any node, select Link to, and connect it to a specific frame or section of your board. Build an interactive table of contents where each branch takes you exactly where you need to go. Perfect for complex projects where you need to jump between research, planning, execution, and results without getting lost. New team members can click through your mind map to understand the entire project structure in minutes instead of hours. Stop using Sidekicks just to generate content. Start a conversation with it. Build your rough mind map first, then ask AI to challenge your assumptions or identify what is missing from your plan. Try prompts like, "What gaps do you see in this strategy?" or "Show me 3 different ways to structure this workflow." Create an iterative loop. You build rough ideas, AI pushes back with questions or alternatives, you refine, AI expands further. This turns AI into a strategic partner that makes your thinking sharper, not just a content generator. Your mind map should not be a dead-end document. Use it as the starting point for something bigger. Select your completed mind map and run a flow to transform it into a PRD. Now you have both, your strategic thinking and a structured product document. Take it further, link both to another flow and create a prototype. You have gone from rough ideas to a clickable prototype in minutes, all connected back to your original thinking. Speed up your mind mapping with keyboard-only workflows. Press Tab to create a child node, Enter for a sibling node, and arrow keys to navigate between branches. Press Delete to remove a node. Escape to exit editing mode. Chain these shortcuts together, and you will build complex mind maps in half the time. But remember, you can always create mind maps with Miro AI, as we explained in this video. Stop rebuilding the same structure every time. Create mind map templates for recurring workflows like retrospectives, project kickoffs, or decision frameworks. Click on the 3 dots and save as template. Give it a name and description, and save it. Share templates with your team for consistency, and evolve them based on what works. Start every new project with proven patterns instead of blank canvases. Check out our complete mind map tutorial linked in the description for the basics. Subscribe for more advanced Miro tutorials that transform how you work. Thanks for watching.